Good morning, children. Today's date is 18th of November. The year is 2020 and today's day is Wednesday. So in our numeracy class, we are going to go a little forward. Yes, so you know the concept of less and more. Now we are going to learn the concept of one more and one less. Okay? So just one more and one less. Okay, so you know what is more. More means many, yeah? Bahut sara. And what is the meaning of less? Less means few. Come. Yes? So you know the meaning of more, many, less and few. Yes? So today we are going to learn how we will calculate one more and how we will calculate one less. Yes, so we'll do it with the help of our number line. Do you know what is this called? This is a number line, yes? So when we go like this, in this direction towards our right side, that's called forward counting. And we go towards our left side, yes, we go back. It is called backward counting. So first let us do forward counting from 0 to 12. Yes, we have learned till 12. So we'll do till 12 today. So we start with 0, we go forward. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You see, we are going forward. So this is like a train. Yes, and you go forward. And what happens when you go forward? When you go forward, do you see your numbers go on increasing? The numbers are getting bigger. And they're becoming more and more. Just like here. 0 means nothing. And then the next number when we go forward is number 1. So number 1 is more than 0. How much more? It is 1 more than 0. Yes? And then we come more forward. We go to 2. So which number is bigger? 1 or 2? Of course, 2 is bigger, yes? Now, 2 is bigger, but how much bigger is it than 1? How much more is it than 1? It is 1 more than 1 is 2. Now we go more forward. So the next number after 2 is 3. Yes, the number is getting bigger. So number 3 is bigger than number 2. But how much is number 3 more than 2? कितना बड़ा है number 3 number 2 से? Just 1. Yes, how much jump do we take? Just 1. Then we have number 4. So number 4 is more than number 3. How much more is it? It is 1 more. Just 1 jump. It is 1 more. So we keep on jumping. 1, 1, 1. Number keeps on getting bigger. But in which direction am I running? Jumping. I'm jumping towards my right. So when you jump towards your right, you're moving forward. The number is getting bigger. The number is getting more. Okay? Now let's do backward counting. From numbers 12 to 0. Okay, we start from 12. So 12 is the bigger number. On this number line, it is the biggest number. Yes, so now I do backward counting. Okay, so now I'm going back. So I start from 12. I go back 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Now that was backward counting. Now when I did backward counting, the numbers are getting smaller and smaller. Yes? The numbers are getting less. Yes? We start with 12. So when I go backwards from 12 to 11, so which number is smaller? Is number 12 smaller or 11? Number 11 is smaller. Yeah, it is less than 12. But how much less is it than 12? Just 1 less than 12. I'm just jumping 1. Yes? I just go 1 jump backward. I take 1 jump backward. Now I take 1 more jump back. Okay? So I reach 10. So now number 10 is smaller than number 11. Am I right? Yes, but how much smaller is it? How much less is it than number 11? How much jump did I take? Just 1. So it is 1 less than 11. Yes? Then I take 1 more jump backward. I reach 9. Here number 9 is less than number 10. But how much less is it? It is 1 less than 10. Just 1 jump. So as I move backward, yes, the number gets lesser and lesser. Yes, so when I jump towards my left hand side, the number gets less. And when I jump towards the right hand side, the number gets bigger. It gets more and more. Okay, so I want you to revise this forward counting and backward counting. Now you should be knowing these very well. Yes? So this is going to help you really to do 1 more and 1 less. Happy learning, children. Bye.